Good morning, respected dignitaries. I am Sajal Siddiqui, alongside my teammates
उत्सव साहू,
सैयद जैद अली,
कुलदीप कुमार मंडल
from Campin School, Bhauri Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Under the guidance of our teacher, Ms. Sania Ali, we are proud to present you our innovative project, the Drop Cycle, a zero-waste, self-sufficient hand wash system. Do you know, we use about 2 liters of water when we wash our hands. And that water goes to complete waste. And in countries like India, where water scarcity is a real time issue, we cannot afford such wastage. That's why me and my team set out to find a solution to such problems. And then we stumble upon the drop cycle.
in simple words, drop cycle can convert every single drop of dirty water into clean, reusable water for further use, such as washing clothes, washing vehicles, and even for watering plants. For example, you might have noticed Rajasthan is suffering from rising scarcity of water in many of their areas. People have to walk nearly 2 to 3 kilometers for carrying water to fulfill their daily needs. Our drop cycle project works as a master plan for these situations. It can be placed at public places such as railway stations, bus stops, and even public parks. Now, my teammate Zaid Ali will demonstrate the project.
So this is our project Drop Cycle Zero Waste Hand Wash System. As you can see, I have used the fresh water in this tank and which goes from this pipe. Now my friend will wash his hand with soap. As you can see, the soapy water gets into the filtration system and he will explain the filtration system.
So now you can see the filtrated water is coming out the filtration system. So this filtration system consists of big pebbles, gravels, and a sand layer and a piece of cloth, and use tea leaves and sponge.
So this water can be used for bathing, washing clothes, washing cars, and for home purpose also. So as you can see, we have stored fresh water into the top tank, and that water goes into the tray, and that water goes afterwards into the filtration units, which contain used tea leaves, charcoal layer, and sand layer, and it also contains gravel and clothes. And after that, the water goes into the bottom tank, which contains all the filtered water, and it can be pumped out DC motor, which is connected by the solar panel, and after that we can use it.
As my teammate explained, first the fresh water is stored here. Someone will wash their hands, then the soapy water will go into the filtration unit. The filtration unit consists of used tea leaves, charcoal layers, and sand layers. While using DC pump and solar panels, the filtered water will get stored in the bottom tank. This water can be used for further purposes such as watering plants, washing clothes, and even for washing vehicles. This water can also be used at governmental properties and such as public parks, hospitals, etc. With further upgradations in this idea, this soapy water can be converted into drinking water.
So our message is simple and strong.
Clean hands, clean nation, zero waste, zero worry.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.